In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams from showing you as away. Microsoft Teams will automatically switch your status to away after a short period of inactivity, which can be frustrating if you're still working, just not actively moving your mouse or typing. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to better control your status so it stays accurate to what you're actually doing. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you're signed in. You'll want to be on the main Teams window, not minimized to the taskbar. At the top right, look for your profile picture or initials. This is where your current status appears, such as available, busy, or away. Click on your profile icon. A small menu will open, and near the top, you'll see your current status. Go ahead and click that status. Teams will display a list of options like available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, and appear away. To prevent Teams from randomly flipping you to away while you're at your desk, choose available. This tells Teams that you're actively working and reachable. Below the preset statuses, you may see an option to set a status message. This is useful if you want to explain your availability. For example, you might write that you're working heads down but still online. Set a clear message and choose how long you want it to appear. This doesn't replace your main status, but it helps coworkers understand whether they should expect a quick reply. Now, keep in mind that Teams still monitors your device activity. If your computer goes to sleep, locks, or if the app is closed, your status may eventually change to away again. To minimize that, make sure your computer's sleep settings aren't too aggressive during work hours, and try to keep the Teams window open instead of fully quitting the app. If you need to step away from your desk, it's better to manually set your status to be right back or away so your team knows what to expect. Then, when you return, simply repeat the process. Click your profile, choose available, and you're back online. By regularly checking your status, keeping the app open, and using the available option intentionally, you can greatly reduce how often Teams incorrectly marks you as away and make your online presence much more accurate for your colleagues.